Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to MSODS Academy's YouTube channel. Please visit our website. The link is in the description where you can post questions you have and we will answer it in a timely manner in the next YouTube video. That being said, let's get started with today's lesson where we will cover how to create tables, how to create and use basic and advanced filters. The Excel version we will be using is Excel 2016. And please view this video in high definition for the best quality. Now let's say you are a student and you want to organize your classes into a table. The first way to create a table is to highlight the contents of the table, as so, and go to the toolbar to insert, and located below is table. A pop-up window appears. The first question Excel asks you is where is the data for your table? We selected A4 to B8, so that is correct. The second question Excel asks you is if the table has headers. What this means is it wants to ask you the first entry you inputted. Is that the title of the table of the table columns that you have? In this situation, the answer is yes, so we check it and say okay. A table is created, as you can see, and if you want to change the design, you can highlight it, go to the toolbar, design, and you have an array of options to pick from. You can go orange, you can go blue, you can go red. The next way to create a table is simply to highlight the headers of your table, which is schedule and time. And in the toolbar home, in the editing section, you can go to sort and filter and click filter. The next option to do it is also go to data in the toolbar. In the sort and filter section, you can just select filter which is right here, located in this location. And the shortcut is Control Shift L. Now, let's say you want to filter your table. In the drop down arrow, there is multiple options Excel gives you. There's the sort A to Z, Z to A, and text filters. So let's start with sort A to Z. As you can see, it sorts English to physics at the end in alphabetical order, and Z to A, vice versa. Physics in the beginning and English at the end. So the next one is text filters. Excel gives you multiple options to choose from. Equals, does not equal, begins with, ends with, contains, and does not contain. By selecting one, a pop-up window appears, and in addition note, you can switch the choosing options that you have created from the drop-down menu. And you can see it says show rows where schedule equals. You can type in physics, and you have an option to say and or. In this situation, let's say go with or and say equals as well. Say math. So in this situation, it should show all data that's either equal to physics or math. And as you can see, it shows physics and math. The next option is advanced filters. To conduct an advanced filter, you first need to copy the headers, paste it anywhere you want, and you can include in the schedule or the time the filtering options you want. In this situation, let's say math. So we type in math under schedule. And then in the toolbar under data, in the sort and filter section, there's advanced. So you click advanced and a pop-up window opens up. The first thing it says is list range. What is the list that you want to filter? So you select A11 to B15 and the criteria. So the criteria is you want it to be filtered just for the schedule of your math class. So you select it. Now, you can either filter it in place or you can copy and filter it in a new location. We already filtered it in place, so let's copy into another location. Copy to. You can click anywhere in your worksheet, your Excel worksheet. So let's click on M14 and click OK. As you can see, it shows schedule, math, 9 a.m. And this concludes our lesson of how to create tables, how to filter it, and how to use the advanced filter. Thank you, and have a great day.